Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the dark theme in this device. So in this device I already enabled the dark theme. So let me show you how to enable this one. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option display and brightness. So here you can see the mode, light mode and the dark mode. To enable the dark mode, select the option dark mode. If you want to enable the light mode, select this one. Now the dark theme is disabled. To enable the dark theme, select this one. Okay, so here you can see one more option, a dark mode settings. Tap on this one. So here you can customize the dark mode. Adjust the wallpaper to dark mode, adjust icon to dark mode. You can adjust the customize the dark mode settings also. So if you want to schedule the dark mode timing, then tap on the option schedule, turn on this option. Two options you can see here. You can schedule the dark mode from the sunset to sunrise. If you want to select this one, you can select. So if you want to customize the dark mode timing, select the option time custom. Then here you can see you can enter the starting time of the dark mode and the end time of the dark mode. So in this way you can customize the dark mode timing also. So simply in this way you can change the dark mode in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.